These are the 15 color light up drumsticks. I bought these guys for when I am teaching drum students for a wow factor, and I've kind of been wowed at these guys. Now, as you can see up at the tip here and at the base that there is light coming out of this guy. The light is coming from the base, and you can't really see it super bright in the stick right now because I have a bunch of bright lights on around here just to film this video. But it is bright, and one cool feature about these guys, if you are hitting them together or you're just playing drums, like tapping on things, the lights do change as you hit the drums. So that's one really cool feature here. Now, what they came in was this plastic sleeve inside of this velvet sleeve, which is pretty nice, and you can stick the drumsticks back in it and then seal up the top so they don't fall out. And they're in this box right here. Now, I'm going to quickly show you a video of me playing with these with the lights off on my drum kit. So, as you can see, they're quite bright when all the lights are off. And they're very cool, especially as they change color. So if you're in the market for something like this, you want a real wow factor either to your set or your drum lessons or just your private practice time, I would recommend these guys to you. They are very cool.